Okay, we have a interesting problem. Okay, so what we have here is a T460S, and when you press the power button, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So it's about 25 seconds to get to the post screen. But the computer itself is fine. A couple of issues, one key missing, I think trackpad issue too. I've got a new trackpad if that is what's faulty as well, but it's taking 25 seconds to boot, which is not normal. The keyboard is not working right. Okay, how about the mouse? No. So this has some inherent issues, so let's see if we can fix first the delay of the post. And I suspect it's something to do with the BIOS chip. So what we're going to do is disassemble the unit and take out expose the board and have a look at the BIOS chip. We'll try and take a dump and then clear the ME region and flash it back after it's cleaned. Always wanted to make a video on cleaning the ME region. Maybe we can do one live. That's the BIOS chip here, which is easily accessible, so we probably don't need to remove everything. But we do have a problem keyboard in this and the trackpad, so we may need to open up and have a look further. So let's go and have a look at the just feel like there's a little bit of liquid still there. Okay, look at the definitely liquid spill. BIOS chip. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't feel right. Okay. Alright, so there needs to be no power in the system. So let's remove the battery first. Alright, so we got no power in the system, and I'm thinking of maybe removing it or maybe not. Probably not. I'm going to use Raspberry Pi to quickly take a dump. Yep, that's a perfect fitting. Okay, let's get the keyboard, mouse, everything else ready. Okay, Raspberry Pi booted already. See if the chip is recognized first. It is. It's not in the best position. Okay, that's a bit better. Oh, it rebooted. Okay. Okay, power issues. Okay, read Lenovo 1. So Lenovo old.bin. I've done a couple of ME region cleanups before, but I never did a video on it. So this will be a good chance to make a video and show that it will actually fix the boot delay issue. So here we can see that's the BIOS chip being read by the Raspberry Pi. We're going to put the flash file onto USB, transfer it to another computer where we'll do the cleaning, bring it back and then flash back into the BIOS. I should maybe change the speed, the baud rate, to 2000 to something higher. Okay, let's verify. And okay, let's just verify. Okay, so we got a copy. All right. Verifying. I am going to change that to 11.5.200. Okay, that was too quick. Let's try 16,000. Okay. All right. All this time I've been working on a slow speed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is disconnect the USB and the HDMI and shut down the Raspberry Pi, and I'll bring in a laptop where we'll do the rest of the work. Okay. And we'll look at the process together. So this may not work, it may work, I don't know. but we're going to find out. So we should get the laptop coming up on the screen. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so we got our Lenovo bin file. Okay, so we need a program, and the program we need to use alright, so we need to use oh yeah, did I take a copy? Oh yeah, it's on another computer. Okay. Okay, there was a, here we go, guide on bin rate. Okay, so, okay. Okay, so, right, we need another program. Forgot the name of it. Let me just check. It was ME Analyzer. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so this is from scratch, so you can see where to get the apps and what I'm doing. Okay, let's all work in one folder. Call this Lenovo. Okay. So what we do is we drag and drop this file onto the ME analyzer. Press enter. Okay. So this is the information we need. All right. CSE ME. Okay. So it's production, consumer LP. All right. So this is ME version 11. Okay. Right, so not sure if I need this. 1909. Okay, going back to guide, we need ME system tools, that's what we need. Right, so 11016, 110. It's a bit daunting at first, so here we go. Yeah, this one here. Okay, so if I remember, yeah, this is the program we need to run. Okay, so we open our BIOS file. Okay. This one here is what we need to change. So it's currently pointing to that file there. So we need to replace that file with the one we have downloaded from, just trying to think. Okay, I don't think I need this. I've downloaded the wrong one. I need to go back to, that's ME Tools, right? Yeah, what we need is here. ME, yep, this is what we want. Right, the correct one from here, okay? So, going back to, yeah, okay, so the one we've got 11016, so just double check. Okay, 11016, so consumer, we need consumer. I could be wrong. Let's try this. Okay, so going back here, that's 1984, and the one that was going to be used was, let's have a look, Intel CSME, Flash Image Tool Win32, Flash Image Tool Win32, Lenovo Old, Decomp, that one there, 1788. Okay, so we're going to replace that with the ME region we've just downloaded. So what we're going to do is this, so we're going to File, save this project if you like. Okay, that's saved. We close it. Now we remember this location, so I'm just going to copy that. We'll come back there shortly. So here, this file here needs to go to here. We're going to rename this one to .old, and we need to copy. There we go. So as you can see, we have a ME region with the new file size, and we can now go back and open up our tool, and we can open a existing project which was entitled and we can now go and build an image. Yes. And out image. That's where the file is. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is our new BIOS file, which is supposedly cleaned, and we can confirm that. So I'm gonna copy this file, bring it over to ME Analyzer. Now notice that this is the old one, and this is gonna be the new one. Gonna run the same program again. So you can see it's a new version of ME engine, production, consumer LP, 2020-05, same file size. Okay, so that's pretty much done, and this is what we're going to now copy back to our USB. We'll call this Lenovo clean, and copy. And yep. Okay, that's done. Now we can go back to Raspberry Pi and let's see if all our efforts paid off. Okay, it's now booting up. So we need to make sure our chip is recognized. Found. Okay, so this time we're gonna say write media G Lenovo clean, and we're going to change the speed to 16,000 as I did before. You don't need to do this, it's just going to make my job a little bit easier. Here we go. Oh, that was nice. It's nice to work at fast speeds. This is 4 times the speed as before. No, 8 times. Wow, that was quick. Alright, now we can go back to the other camera and you can watch whether this was successful or not. There we go. So we don't need Raspberry Pi anymore. what we're going to do is just connect the battery and just turn the system on and see what happens. If this doesn't fix it, then probably there may be something else wrong with the system. I really don't know. Let's find out. Power on. It said mouse was not detected. What we'll do is we'll turn the computer off properly and then turn it back on, and we will know for sure. Okay, system is on. Sorry, off. Wait a little bit more. Okay, this is a real test. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. This is much better than 25-30 seconds, yeah? So this is definitely a success. And so this is one of the fixes for delayed boot due to corrupted ME region. There we go, you just witnessed the live ME clean repair. Try one more time. So it's still turning off, and that's off, completely off. Now I'm going to press the power. Yeah, within 5 seconds it's already up. Thank you for watching, and this video is actually for my reference too for the future, and hopefully it helps other people out there. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.